Why does stress make your brain physically shut down? I'm not talking about a simple slowdown. I mean a total, sudden loss of access to your focus, your memory, and the very words you were using just seconds ago. You know exactly what to do, and you know how to do it perfectly. But the second you're under pressure, the signals stop. Your neural pathways go completely offline, leaving you stranded in the silence while your brain tries to protect itself. This happens because your brain is incredibly stress reactive. The moment pressure hits a specific threshold, your nervous system initiates a total system override. It shifts into protection mode, and in your biology, safety will always be prioritized over productivity. Stress doesn't reduce your effort, it removes your access. When the gate slams shut, pushing harder doesn't help. It makes the shutdown worse. You weren't failing, and you weren't weak. Your brain was simply protecting you from a perceived threat. When you layer your stress response with timing and dopamine, focus becomes accessible again. If this hit home, take the Brain Blueprint quiz right away and never lose your focus again.